Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tara with Mayhem Crafty Cards, and Happy New Year. This is my first video for 2021, and I have an exciting company spotlight to share with you guys. So as you know, I have a ton of my rabbit hole designs, cottontail blending brushes. I have a lot. And this isn't even all of them. And as you can see, my cats have decided to, mess with my brushes. But that's not what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about Make It by Marko. So, I ordered for Black Friday a couple things. Now, I already had this. Let me take these guys out. This brush holder, okay? And I had them all in a cup. So when you have them all in a cup, like they tend to, I'll show you on this one, they tend to, rub against each other and some of the color transfers. And, when you're ink blending, the last thing you want is a blue and a purple to mix. But, so anyways, I got this brush holder from Make It by Marko, and it holds 10 brushes. And it's really nice because you can easily stack them in here. So I got another one, and I want to say this one is called the football shape. Now I will double check, and I'm going to link everything down below because it really is a great company. The shipping was fast. I got it before Christmas, which is insane, especially with the way the mail has been going. But so I picked up one in white, and it's the exact same thing, and it holds 10 brushes. And I also picked up this round one. Now, as you can see, these are my very clean cottontail blending brushes. But again, it holds 10, and it's got a little space where I could put brushes that, sorry for the noise, that I haven't even opened yet. And they all just fit right in there. So these are fantastic, and they're at a great price. And, if you haven't already checked it out, and I'm sure a lot of you have, but I also got this stamp chamois holder. Took me a minute to realize what I was talking about. But this is nice to hold my my Lawn Fawn chamois when it's wet. And then you can also take the bottom off, and it's ventilated, so it's not going to get moldy. And then you can just put your top right on, and you're good to go. I also got this little glue holder, which is fantastic. I love this little thing because, my glue is always ready to go, and this is not like the best bottle ever, but it's just one that I had that I sit in there. So I will be ordering some more of these for sure. And then I love these little brush clips. So they come in a wide variety of colors, and I have a lot of them on my brushes already. So these really make it easy for me if I'm not like paying attention to, I can grab the color of the little clip. So if you guys have not checked out Make It by Marko, I highly suggest it. Like, it's a small business, and they really have fantastic customer service. I mean, anything, all you have to do is email them and let them know, what's going on. So yeah, if you've not checked out Make It by Marko, I will leave everything linked down below. I'm not affiliated with them. I purchased these, except for the purple one, with my own money, because I think it's a fantastic product. And as I do all my company spotlights, I always purchase because I want the start to finish customer service. And I don't let the company know that I'm going to be doing a company spotlight, because I want to have like the real first-hand customer experience. So, from ordering to delivery to customer service, I mean, I look at the whole gamut before I post a video. And that's why some of these company spotlights take me a good while, because one, I pay for this myself. Two, I want to test the product out a little bit before I say yay or nay. And I will always be honest, because, some of the crafty items can get really expensive, and if it's not working, I'm not going to say, yes, go out and buy that, just because of the company name. That's not how I roll. So if you guys are looking for good brush storage, and these will fit any you know, blending brushes. I just am in love with my rabbit hole blending brushes. And like I said, you know, you got your little stamp chamois and it's ventilated, so it's not going to mold. Like, that was the biggest problem I was having, was I had one mold because it was not ventilated. And then the brush clips, of course, you know, who does not need brush clips? So as you can see, I do have them labeled. This was before I got my brush clips. And I just use a label maker to do that. But they just snap right on. Now look, I'm not going to be able to snap it off. So they just, you know, snap right on. And you just, you know, put them in your little brush holder. So yeah, if you guys haven't before, check them out. Fantastic company. I would highly recommend you guys check their products out. Now they have a wide variety of products for you to choose from. Oh, one more thing before, let me see if I can find it, because I use it all the time and I'm probably not going to be able to remember where I set them. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, my kids stole them. Shocker. So these are little cell phone clips. Now I have my old Note 9, and what you do is you just, you know, open it up a little bit and it holds. And it's so nice because I can, you know, YouTube, I can message, I can do anything with this little clip. And it's so nice because I can always pick it up if I need to. And I have one in white and one in black. So yeah, my kids steal these all the time. That's why I couldn't find them. But they just make for nice little gifts. So if you have a crafty friend that has everything, this is something, you know, that you could gift to them that they would really enjoy. So until next time, guys, I hope you guys have a fantastic new year, and I will see you next time. Bye.